A chill sweeps through Munich, cutting sharper with the glow of torchlight flickering against the night sky. The year is 1935, but tonight's scene evokes a memory cast back to 1923, the Munich Putsch. Shadowed by memories of that failed uprising, the city relives its ghosts, brought to life through ritual and spectacle at the historic Feldherrenhalle. The night hangs thick with anticipation as the slow, rhythmic clop of horse hooves fills the air. Horse-drawn hearses, draped in solemn flags, bear their burdens through the city, transporting coffins wrapped in layers of memory and reverence. The crowd stands silent, their faces flickering in torchlight, watching as each hearse halts before the stone lions that guard the staircase. The lions, stone sentries of history, gaze out into the night as if in judgment. Each coffin, emblazoned with a name banner, rests against the wall, forming a line that speaks of loss and loyalty. A guard in uniform stands behind each one, eyes ahead, posture erect, mirroring the solemnity of the moment. This vigil of fallen comrades is not one of mourning, but of steely remembrance. Outside, the torch-lit streets bear witness to a silent march. Julius Streicher, a figure of unyielding reverence among the assembled crowd, leads the procession. He stops, pauses, and salutes, an act both of honor and of command. A wreath is laid at the forefront of the gathering, the beginning of a ritual honoring the movement's foundation and its fallen members. As the final tributes commence, Hitler, Goering, and other high-ranking figures join the ceremony, stepping solemnly into place as pallbearers. They remove a coffin with ritual precision, moving with a calm yet calculated reverence. Their procession becomes part of the cityscape itself, woven into Munich's Odeonsplatz. A low aerial shot captures the expanse of the plaza, ringed by dark figures at attention, their ranks lit by the glow of black horses leading the last coffins into place. The ceremony stretches on, carrying the weight of unfulfilled promises, as men in groups bear wreaths and coffins into temple-like structures that rise before them like sanctuaries to the lost. As each coffin reaches its final destination, the crowd raises their arms in a salute, civilians echoing soldiers, a gesture synchronized with the closing act of remembrance. Slowly, they circle the pits, as if tethered by the memory of 1923,